Hello and Spidey. My name is Somkiat Sinyang Wongsa, or you can call me like Mang Obi. So I am from the north of Laos. It's called Bokiao Province. It's a small village in the province that surround mixing with many different ethnic groups such as Lu, Yuan, Hmong, Khmer, Yao. So growing up in the mixing ethnic group was very hard for me. So I came from there. But now I am currently living in Luang Prabang, and I am also a gap year student. I graduated my high school from Buddhist secondary schools of Luang Prabang in 2017. So I'm taking a gap year now. So with my gap year, so I try with my own charities, the temple charity which called Keep Helping Each Other. So I'm trying to work with my charity for 3 years until today. So basically it's for Keep Helping Each Other that we really try to promote the education in the rural villages. So we try to bring the inspiration and motivations about the importance of having education in the modern world like today. So which that we all want parents to understand why do they have to send their kid to school. We want parents, villagers, and some school in the countryside to clearly understand that the cycles of education. And in every time when we do our visiting trips, so we always do 3 different activities. First, that we try to support the education equipments supplies for the school. Second, that we try to encourage the volunteerism. So this from volunteers from the town, so can come with us and inspire people to see the importance of education too. And the number 3 is that we really care much about environmental preservation. So we really trying, and we partnership with UNESCO in Luang Prabang. So we create the idea that where we can we don't want people to use plastic bags, and we try to remake a new ways of bags that we use the newspaper to make bag, and then which can contain 2 kilos. So then we can bring to the school and bring to the village, and that is one of the example. And then besides of that, we also do the different activities too. So participating with this workshop would really means to me a lot. As a leader or as a founder, I would have gained so much thing, and then I will bring it back for my volunteers and to help the communities in Laos. So thank you.